How does a sail make forward thrust? Well, it's pretty simple. The theory used is based on a difference of high and low pressure, and it's called Bernoulli's principle. So if you have a wind coming from here and you put a sail, if you're looking from the top down into the wind, it'll just sit there and luff and just beat itself like a flag. If, on the other hand, you angle the sail, it will turn convex like that, and what happens is you actually generate high pressure on this side and low pressure on that side. And how that works is pretend there's 4 molecules of air that are best friends, and they always travel in pairs, and they want to meet up back here. These two have the same distance to go straight line, but these two have to speed up to get to the back to meet up with their friends, and the distance between them becomes greater, and it thus produces an area of low pressure and, comparatively speaking, a higher pressure here. And as we know, high goes to low. So we have a sidewards vector, which we can then change into a little bit of a forward vector on our boat. If your wind is coming diagonally across the side of the boat, you need to let your sail out so that the angle is correct for your 4 little friends to be able to meet. And if you look here, your forward vector is greater because your side vector is quite large in that direction. As you start turning downwind, you need to let your sail out even further. And what happens here is the wind actually just starts to push the boat, and you change into push mode, which is the same thing for when you turn completely downwind. You have your sail all the way out if that's allowed. And if you have a jib sail in the front, this air behind here is dead, so you put it on the other side and you would be pushed by both sails forward. That's called wing on wing.